Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to check TikTok coin balance on your TikTok app. After you open the app, just go to your profile, click on this. After that, you can click on this three horizontal lines symbol on top corner right side of your screen. And then go to settings and privacy. After you open settings and privacy, go to balance over here. Now you can see your TikTok coin balance over here. This one is for live rewards if you do live rewards and others. If you want to get more coins, you can click on this. And you can recharge your coin balance by purchasing with the offers here. So that's how you check TikTok coin balance. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.